We are at the Regattaongrand. It is a brand new RV resort here in Grandlake of the Cherokees in Grove, Oklahoma. They still have a lot of construction going on.
A lot.
But it's beautiful. I like it. I like it.
It's going to be a smaller RV park. I didn't count the number of sites, but most of the sites are going to back up to the water. And then there are going to be some that are in the center part of the peninsula there. But we are on like the main part of the water here. And Sailboat Bridge is literally right there. It's a great spot and has a lot of potential. I think they're going to do well here. The coolest part of this park is that they bring you margaritas at 5. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, she said.
The little lady came out with her little tray and had margaritas for us. And they do that every day at 5 o'clock in the afternoon for everybody that's staying here. So that's pretty interesting. We are in the off season right now, so actually there's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So I think this summer it's going to be very popular. They have a hot tub sitting out so you can go under the stars.
I know we have a little bit of construction noise right now, but this is one of the coolest parts of this RV park, and that's this elevated hot tub slash swim spa area. Check out this bad boy, it's huge. And while you're soaking in the hot tub, you can check out Sailboat Bridge there in the distance, which is absolutely beautiful at night. And one of the other cool parts, which we took full advantage of, and that is this awesome closet that you can hang your, it's a cedar, pine and cedar. You can hang your towels in there with a heater. It's perfect for the cold weather. There is a second hot tub on the property that's actually closer to our campsite and close to the water, but I'm not sure it's working right now. We didn't even try it because this elevated one is so cool.
They also have a bar that we're going to check out tomorrow. They have a rooftop restaurant that's closed right now because it's off season, but that could be pretty cool. But we'll check out the bar probably tomorrow when it's raining so we can be inside. It's a little chilly. Our timing for weather has been awful. It's been cold, but we're going to go into the restaurant. It's super good. Here we go. But right now we're enjoying the sunset on the lake and watching the boats go by, and it's pretty relaxing. Okay. Each campsite comes with, looks like 2 Adirondack chairs, a small little fire pit, a nice outdoor furniture set, and a big grill.
A big grill. Yeah, it's very nice, and like we said, we back up to the water, which is really neat. The sites are very level. It's a concrete pad, very easy to get into. It's nice. We have the shelter over top of us, which will come in handy for when it rains this week.
Yeah, we planned super great. We're here on all the rainy days.
Yeah, fun times.
I think that happened to us last time we came to Grand, too.
I think it is.
It rained a lot.
But at least it was warm then. Now it's going to be one day,
chilly.
I think it's going to be 50, 40 or 50 or something.
Still warmer than it is back home.
Might be a little chilly. But yeah, I'm very anxious to see what they do with this park in the next few years, because right now, if they can keep it up, it's going to look very, very nice. Figured out. Some of these sites are even building houses that remind me of Galveston a little bit. The houses on top of the stilts.
It's like they're going to be like little tree houses.
Yeah.
But over the RV pad, which will be interesting, I think, but we'll see.
Okay.
One of my favorite things, other than the margaritas every day at 5 that they deliver, is that elevated hot tub, which I know you didn't get to participate in.
I did not. I was on babysitting duty.
But it was quite lovely. I think you would have liked it. And it was right close to Sailboat Bridge, so at night the lights from the bridge reflect on the water. It's very, very peaceful.
It is pricey.
Well, it's the most expensive RV park that we've found in that area. The drawback right now is they don't have a dock, but I know they have applied for that. So if that's important, then keep that in mind.
Which would be important for us.
In the summer. This time it wasn't a big deal.
No, that's not.
In the summer, it would be a big deal. They do have 2 boat ramps into the water, so that would be nice. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're on our way to 100 subscribers. That is our goal for 2022. So please subscribe. I'll be smarter from today forward.
It's a goal of all of ours.
And a big grill. A big grill.
A big grill.